My name is John Mario Gomez Vélez. I am 22 years old. I am thin with brown eyes and brown hair. I am a very responsible and outgoing person. I like to dance in my cars, go to the gym. I do not like to hear whistles or white. I find myself located in the department of Guaviare in the municipality of Calamar, north gate of the Colombian Amazon. My favorite boat is the Rats Rebellion. My favorite party is regional Colombia. Flood parade is held, colored diverse hike, dance, song, and theater presentations are held. Sports competitions are carried out on skating and skating. Native games are held. Mural painting contests. Food is made as suckling pig, roast beef, masato, and tamales. Dishes of coastal food shoots as fried fish and carimañolas are made. Colorful and representative costumes of each region of Colombia are used. I always wash my clothes. Sometimes washes the slab. I never washes the bathrooms. Rarely clean dust from furniture. I often organize the rooms. I usually sweep and dry the house. Heat always made water to the plants. Sometimes I help to cook. I never change the window curtains. I rarely help to do general hygiene at home. I am saying my name is. I am currently reading the book Love with Coffee Aroma. Currently watch the Shazam move. Now I watch the Spider-Man move away from home. I currently watch the Annabelle 3 move. Now I see the Caracol News. I currently watch the new Toy Story 4 move. Now I read the book De Hojarasca. I am currently listening to the song Don't Call Me Angel. I always get up at 7 from work. Now I am listening to the song You for You, I for you, you for me. I was at 7. I am at home getting ready to go to the gym. We must wear sunscreen and have in summer. In summer, we must wear glasses and shorts. We must wear a long sleeve shirt in spring. In spring, we must wear shorts and sandals. We must wear socks and closed shoes in autumn. In autumn, we must wear gold cuts. We must wear a jacket. In winter, we must wear boots and ear muffs. We must wear gloves in winter. In winter, the muff wear a scarf. Thank you so much. Goodbye.